This is how to install your OpenRange wood side table to your OpenRange. First, you'll need to install the table attachment rungs. You can install the rungs on either side of the OpenRange for right or left deployment. Using the 4mm wrench, remove the pre-installed short screws and washers, and install the rungs, like this, with the included longer screws as shown. Repeat to install both rungs. Now you're ready to prep the side table. First, install the leg on the wood side table. Loosen this knob until you can insert the leg into the receiver. Be sure the post of the knob is within the channel of the receiver. Then, fully tighten the knob. Next, loosen the adjustment knob and extend the leg like this to about the height of the rung you are attaching the table to, and make sure the adjustment knob is seated in one of the slots before tightening the knob back up. You can mount the side table to the upper or lower rungs, as well as the carrying handles. To attach, significantly back out the retention screw or remove it altogether. Engage the hooks and tighten the retention screw to lock it up in place. If necessary, adjust the height of the leg until the table is level. To install the cutting board, place it into the hole so it seats in place. And to use a sink, remove the cutting board, insert the sink, and expand it. At this point, you could install the backboard organizer on the wood table like this. When it's time to pack everything up, store the sink, cutting board, and legs in the OpenRange and nest the wood side table like this. And you're ready to go. That's it. Now get out and take it easy.